If you want to edit the hidden details inside your audio files, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to access metadata in Audacity, including things like artist, track title, album, and even custom fields you can use for podcasts or music projects. This is a simple but powerful feature, and once you know where to find it, you can save a lot of time every time you export audio. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Audacity on your computer and load the audio project you want to work on. You can do this by opening an existing project or importing your audio file into Audacity. Once your project is ready, look at the top menu bar, click on Edit, and then from the drop-down menu, choose Metadata Tags. This will open the Metadata Editor window, which is where Audacity lets you view and edit the information attached to your audio export. When the Metadata Editor window appears, you'll see a table with two main columns, Tag and Value. The Tag column shows the type of metadata field, such as artist, track title, album, or year. The Value column is where you enter the actual information. To edit an existing tag, click directly inside the value box and start typing the new information. For example, if you want to change the artist name, click the value next to artist and replace it with the correct name. If you need to add extra information, Audacity also allows custom metadata fields. To do that, click the Add button in the window. A new row will appear, and you can type a tag name such as genre, podcast episode, show name, or any other custom label that fits your project. Then click in the Value column and enter the matching text. This is especially useful if you're creating podcasts, audiobooks, interviews, or music tracks where you want to include more detail than the default fields provide. Now, if you work with the same metadata over and over again, Audacity gives you a really helpful time-saving option. You can save your metadata setup as a template. This means if you always use the same artist name, podcast name, or production info, you won't have to type it all again every time. To do that, click Save in the Metadata Editor and store the template file somewhere easy to find. Later, when you open a new project or start a new export, you can click Load and bring those saved settings back instantly. That's a great workflow tip if you upload content regularly because it keeps your exports consistent and professional. It also reduces mistakes, especially when you're repeating the same information across multiple audio files. So instead of retyping everything from scratch, you can just load your saved metadata and continue working. Once you've finished editing the tags, double-check everything in the list to make sure the spelling and values are correct. Then confirm the metadata settings and continue with your export process as normal. Audacity will include that information in the exported file, which helps organize your audio and makes it easier for platforms and listeners to identify your content. And that's how to access metadata in Audacity and edit it the easy way. You've now learned how to open the metadata editor, change existing values, add custom fields, and save templates for future use. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Audacity tips, editing shortcuts, and beginner-friendly software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.